Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about WebinarFuel, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you get the WebinarFuel registration page HTML embed code? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to get the HTML embed code to one of your webinar registration pages in WebinarFuel anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing webinars, you know that WebinarFuel allows you to embed the registration page directly onto your website, whether that website's with WordPress or ClickFunnels or a lot of other providers. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your WebinarFuel dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already logged into WebinarFuel, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, to get the HTML embed code to one of your webinars, here on the top, you're going to click on webinars. Once you do that, you'll see all the different webinars you're running. So go ahead and just click on the webinar that you want the HTML embed code for. So for example, this one. Once you click there, you'll see this gray menu right here, and you want to click here on registration widgets. Okay, once you do that, up here on the top left, you want to choose what type of widget you want the HTML embed code for. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and use this modal. Okay, so here you can see the modal. So here's the button where they're going to click and register. Next, it'll bring you here for their email. Second, they can complete the registration. So this is what I want the HTML embed to put on my website. So up here on the top right, you're going to click on this kind of like HTML button looking thing. All right, once you do that, you're going to go ahead and click on copy to clipboard, and you should see this green pop up down here, copy to clipboard. So now my HTML embed code for my webinar registration modal is copied to my clipboard. So now I can go ahead and paste that into my WordPress website or wherever you normally host your. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to get the HTML embed code to your WebinarFuel registration, that's the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.